Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house for sale. This house sits on approximately 1/3 acre of land. It is located in Boscobel Heights, St. Mary, and comes with the most serene views of the Caribbean Sea. It is within 10 minutes of the newly minted Ian Flemming International Airport and about half an hour from the town of Ocho Rios, St. Anne. This property offers the tranquil ambiance of country life mixed with the enviable tourist resort touch of sea and the sand. This is your golden opportunity to own a piece of paradise on Jamaica's north coast. Make an offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 395,000 or Jamaican $60.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.